Sorry, but that's just how I am. I just kind of just roll with it and ramble and talk. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. I know, I'm finally back. In today's video that I have for you, it is the very first day of September box week, which I'm really late on. I apologize. I have been going through a really difficult time in my personal life, which I will probably few days after box week is over make an update video just about what's been going on in my life and all of that. So I kind of just needed to take some time off from YouTube to like focus on some things in my life, and you guys know me well enough to know that like when I make videos and I'm struggling, like it shows, and I needed to be in a good headspace before I do box week, because box week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. It is 1 week every month. Me and my YouTube subscribers, the Just Like Drew family, spend 7 consecutive days together. We have a new video every day for 7 days, and so I didn't want to like come into box week if I was like really struggling at the time, and I'm coming out of that struggle and I'm feeling a lot better and in a much better, healthier headspace than I've been in for the last few weeks. So I was like, all right, I'm ready, it's time. So today we are going to be starting a new stockpile giveaway. I want to say this is the 5th one. The box is empty. The stockpile giveaway was claimed. It's been sent out. Basically, if you're like brand to my channel, and there was also a lot of stuff in the front end, I'm sorry, but that's just how I am. I just kind of just roll with it and ramble and talk. If you're new to my channel, basically what this is a box that we fill up every month during box week, and sometimes it takes us 2 months to fill it, sometimes we fill it up in 1 month. Basically, I get a lot of subscriptions, so I keep some of the stuff for myself and I put some in a box to end up hosting a giveaway on my channel, just because I love you guys and I love doing the stockpile giveaway. It's seriously like becoming one of my favorite things on this channel, like with box week. So tonight we're going to be opening still one of my absolutely favorite subscriptions. We're going to be opening Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription service where they send you beauty products. You get 5 to 7 products every single 5 to 7. No, 5. Why am I saying 5 to 7? What? That's not true. You get 5 items to sample out things in like hair care. I don't even know where I got the 7 from, my bad. Hair care, skin care, makeup, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna open this because apparently it's 5 to 7 now instead of 5. And it looks like they have a new like way to open this. It used to be like you peel one way, but it looks like now you rip the top off, which is new and probably better for me. That opened really easily. All right, every month you get a different makeup bag. This month's bag is really cute. Look at that. It's like eyelashes. I'm living for it. I don't know how I feel about the fabric. It's kind of like canvasy. I always feel weird about like canvas style fabric for like canvas bag fabric for like a makeup bag. I don't know. For me, that's always just kind of like I don't know how I feel about that, but I do like the way the bag looks. So I'm gonna open it up and see what we got this week or this month in our bag. Wow, just, okay. Well, it's been a while since I filmed a video, so clearly your expectation should have been about where I'm at now. So the first item that we have is Rescue My Hair Mask, No More Bad Hair Days, a deep conditioning and hydrating hair mask. This is actually really awesome. Funny enough, I've been like really low on hair masks recently, so I'm gonna keep this and try it out and see how I like it for my hair. Like I said, I love doing hair masks. So basically, for me personally, I like to do like a hair mask like usually overnight before I wash my hair, and then do one the next day like in the shower when I actually like wash it to like blow dry and all that, so that it's a lot nicer and more conditioned, just because after significant weight loss my hair does struggle a little bit more than it used to. Alright, the next item that we have is Trestique. It looks like it is a mini lip glaze in a really pretty pink color. I'm definitely going to be putting this into the giveaway box as our first item. You guys know I have like tons and tons of lip products, and this is a really pretty color, and I feel like it would be great to go with like any skin tone, so I'm excited to put that in the giveaway box. Alright, the next item that we have is Morphe High Impact Highlighter. Ooh, this is really pretty too. Look at this in the color Spark. Morphe. I don't know if they've ever really put a lot of Morphe in Ipsy before, so that's really awesome. I love this shade. It's a really pretty gold. I'm going to try and take it out of the box without wrecking the box, but I'm definitely going to put this in the giveaway box too. I just want to open it up so I can show you guys a little bit better of what the color looks like, because it's hard to tell from like the box in the box, but this is a really, oh my god, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yep, that's going to the giveaway box too. That's perfect. Like, I feel good. I feel like we're getting the box started off with some really, really like staples that you need. Like, a lot of people don't think you need highlighter, but highlighter just like makes a world of difference. I'm just gonna be real with you, it does. All right, the next item that we have is Luxie Detailed Tapered Blending Brush. Ooh, this looks like a really, really nice brush. So this would be a brush that you would use to like blend up here in this area, like in the crease section. That's going to the giveaway box too. You guys know I have lots and lots of makeup brushes, so for me, I like to give makeup brushes away. I feel like one of the biggest things I notice for people like who want to get into makeup or are trying to like understand makeup better, they always are lacking when it comes to makeup brushes. That's something I noticed with my mom and a lot of other people. So for me, I'm really big on putting those in the giveaway box. I feel like that's a good opportunity for people to build collection. The next thing that we're gonna have is Pretty Petal eyeshadow from M Princess. All right, this is an eyeshadow. It looks like it's a kind of like pinky iridescent shimmery shade. I'm actually gonna put that in the giveaway box too. I have like so much eyeshadow right now that I kind of like feel bad about how much eyeshadow I currently have, so I don't really need it, but I feel like this bag overall was really, really fantastic. That was actually everything in my bag. I only kept one thing this time. Yeah, so that wasn't the plan because I actually don't look ahead to see what I'm getting in my bag, so it just was like all the items were things that I didn't necessarily need and I'd rather have somebody else get to try out for themselves. So to recap, we got the really cute canvas bag with the closed eye there. We got the M Princess Pretty Petal eyeshadow, which I'm not opening. I'm going to try and show the shade up a little bit closer just because I feel like this would be really, really fun for somebody to get as well. The Luxie Tapered blending brush, which I said again, you could take right here in like this section of your eye and blend in that area. The Morphe High Impact highlighter, which just looks so perfect and amazing. And the Rescue My Hair No More Bad Hair Days hair mask. So I'm keeping this, so I'll just put that over there. All right, so starting off our giveaway box strong on the very first video. It might be full this month, who knows. And really quick, if you're ever wondering like how would you know to enter the giveaway box, when the giveaway box is full, I usually tell you like it's full and I'm gonna launch a video, and then a couple days after whatever video I tell you that the box is full, I will launch a separate video telling you that this is how you can enter the giveaway. So there's never any confusion with that. All right, so we're gonna be putting in the Luxie brush here, the M Princess eyeshadow, the Morphe High Impact highlighter, the Tristique mini, what is it called again, the mini lip glaze, and you know what, let's put the makeup bag in there too because every girl needs a makeup bag in her collection. So yeah, so I just pretty much kept only the hair mask, which I'm totally fine with because I really have missed you guys, and I'm just so happy to be back, and I just thank you guys for always supporting there and being there for me and understanding when I need some times where I just have to take a little bit of like mental and emotional space, but I'm back and I'm ready to like be back and be here. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of September 2018 box week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I can't.
Like, oh, a pretty good stretch. I look up and there's a red light. Now I'm all embarrassed.
Okay, don't be embarrassed. It was really good. I didn't think you could get any more rest.